Hello everyone, it's me again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I wanted to show you guys what I bought from the Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree Fox leather. It is not real leather, but let's see. There are so many things you can make with this. I bought some and I made some earrings. I wanted to show you all. It's pleather, right? I don't even know if it's pleather. It feels like some type of vinyl. It looks like something you would make a car seat out of, but it's a lower grade, like those old time car seats from the 70s or something. It's kind of cool, but let me show you what I made. I made these. I made these. I thought these are kind of cute. I'm into black and white. Let's see. I made these. We're going to finish these on camera. These. And I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. So these are findings. Now, these pieces here, they sell these at the Dollar Tree as well, but I got them from Michael's. I didn't want to buy any more because I have a ton of them. This was kind of tricky to get into. To open this, I mean, I had to cut. This was really sealed. So we're going to make some earrings using leather that we bought, fake leather, that faux leather that we bought from Dollar Tree, and these cute little things here. These are Dollar Tree charms. Excuse me, just getting over the flu. And this I got from the Dollar Tree as well. They have a ton of these though. You can find those anywhere. These jewelry pliers, they do sell these at the Dollar Tree. I got these from Michael's years ago though. Let's see. And everything you need pretty much is in here other than these. But like I said, they do sell those at the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right in. And I'm going to try to open this all the way up. I didn't want to open it up before we were on camera because I want to try to take a piece of this and put it on a pair of these earrings. Now, I want to show you how this cuts too. Because I took the liberty off camera of cutting or drawing, because I want to do all black and white earrings. And this I traced. So we're going to try to cut. And it's easy to cut. It's not that thick. I would say that the faux leather that you buy from like Hobby Lobby is probably a little better grade than this. But this is actually not bad for Dollar Tree. It's not bad for Dollar Tree. And if you're going to sell these, you can make some really good money. I mean, I would probably sell these for $5. That's depending on where I am. Sometimes maybe even $3. But look how much fabric you get though. You get a lot of this for a little bit of money, and you can probably make about, I'm gonna say, out of a sheet of this, probably about maybe 10 to 12 pairs of earrings. I gotta be careful not to cut myself. Okay. See how that looks. I wanted to kind of peek from behind it just a little. Now, I cut these shapes out using a die. I'll show you the die in a minute. And these are for me. If I was going to sell these, I would be a lot more precise. but I'm not gonna sell these. These are for my personal use. Where are my glasses? Bam, Dollar Tree glasses. Here we go. So this little pokey tool, now I do have tools that cut real leather, that'll cut a hole in some real leather. But for this video, you want to poke the hole, try to poke the hole about there, because when you use the jump ring, and please excuse my nails, I took my nails off. I took the polish off my nails. I was really, really sick. I had the flu. It's been going around something terrible lately. And see, that one's not even centered. I would say try to line them up together, but try to line both pieces of the fake leather up together. But if you can't, this is not a really good pokey tool. I can't think of anything else to call it. A pokey tool. And these two. And this mat that I'm using, they do sell mats, smaller ones from the Dollar Tree like this. This one I got from Amazon. I think I paid about maybe $6 for it, because I do a lot of card making too. But I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. And did we want a piece of chain to hang off of here? I'm thinking this chain is too thick. But let's see. We don't want a whole lot. I don't want a whole lot of chain, just a little. Okay, let's see if that works. We'll go about there with it. Go about right there with it. And use these pliers to try to pry open. Pry it open. Here we go. All right. That worked nicely. Take that piece off. And we'll, for the sake of the video, we'll leave that there. So we're going to need 2 of these. I didn't want the video to be too long, but I wanted to show you all what you could do with the Dollar Tree if you wanted to go to like a craft fair and sell earrings. And I'm going to show you how to package them too. I may do a packaging video separately, because I didn't want the video to be really, really long. Yeah, we might have to do a packaging video separate. But, okay, let's open our jump rings. Now, these jump rings, I am impressed because these jump rings are thick. They're sturdy. These are not El Cheapo. They feel like the ones that I would have bought from like Michael's or something. So what we're going to do is take the chain and hook it through there like that. Then you'll take the first piece of faux leather and hook it in like so. Now see, this one doesn't want to go in the hole. Make sure your hole is big enough. The thing I don't like about these is that little point at the top of the earrings. Sometimes it looks weird. Okay, then we'll take our earring back. Trying to keep it on camera. And we'll hook it in like that. And see. And I'm like I said, I don't want the video to be too long, because I am not really good at editing yet. And sometimes these videos look crazy. Are you serious right now? All right, here we go. Okay, that looks better. Now, let me show you what I mean. See the top of that? I don't know if you all can see that. And then this is not straight. You definitely want this to be straight, because that back could slide off of there, and that's not a good look. Okay, that's better. All right. And I want to turn this, make sure that earring back. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I could do that. Okay, that's cute. Cute, we like it. So this is Dollar Tree. This is like Dollar Tree pleather. We're going to try to do the other one. And I wanted to try to put one of these onto, what did I do with the other earrings? I made another pair for you all to see. Can't find them, but it's okay. We'll use these in another video. I didn't want the video to be too long. It's probably already like 5 minutes long. So we're gonna open this one. I like to use my hands. I don't know why. I could use both pairs of pliers, but sometimes I like to use my hands, and I like that to be, I like the chain to be a little uneven. And like I said, these jump rings. Now, see the back of that? I would normally cut another piece and glue it onto the back of there so that you can't see, or you could just cut it off so that you can't see the pin markings on the back. Oh, you know what, guys? I forgot to put my earring hoop on. All right, and that one closed up easily and beautifully. Okay, all right, so here we have a pair of Dollar Tree earrings, and I told you I would show you all the dye that I used. That dye I got from Amazon. There are two different dyes. I got this one from Amazon. This was like 12 bucks. And this one was 12 bucks. So they go in what you call a Sizzix machine. But if you don't have a Sizzix machine, there are other ways to use these dyes. But then I also showed you how you can just hand cut, because that's what we did to the white that's on the back of here. But these are cute. I like these. Okay, so I will try to link where I got these from in the description of the video if I can. Like I said, I'm just starting to make YouTube videos, so please forgive me, but I did get these from Amazon. And these are really good cutting dies. I can show you in another video how to use those. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.